Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Gray Maynard, UFC vet. Wanted to make a video about my experiences with Academy Kings so far. Growing up in gyms, I started wrestling when I was 3 years old. Been training my entire life, had a long MMA career, and that's just been my focus for 40 years. And I really understand the importance of coaching. So in the back of my mind, I always knew I was going to open up a gym and I wanted to be that coach. But also opening up a gym, I was going to be an owner of a business. And right when I chose to do this, I started calling up all my buddies just to try to get coaching and what they did wrong, what they did right. And one of the guys I called up, Chris Bauer, of Bauer House MMA, he told me, he's like, dude, I'll help you as much as I can, but if you want great coaching, hit up Lance at Academy Kings. I did, and it's been worth every penny. Like, worth every penny. We haven't opened up yet, but just taking care of all the back end stuff, planning the website, planning the marketing, it just kills the learning curve. And that's what I wanted to do, was decrease all the research and the screw ups. So again, being an athlete, I understood coaching. I understood having a routine that and being a business owner, I didn't have that routine. I didn't have that coaching, but I got them both with Academy Kings. The coaching, telling me what to do, basically what I need to do. I got to do it, obviously, but, and then the routine. They already have the routine. They've already done it, and that's where I'm lacking. I'm trying to figure it all out, but now it just became a lot easier, right? Hey, I can ask questions, I can email them, I can just get answers ASAP instead of trying to Google everything, like all this stuff, or hound my buddies. And it's just been a great experience. I appreciate them. Again, worth every penny, and can't wait to open up and put all this stuff, the tools I've learned, to use and create a great gym and do what I love, which is train people and enjoy the process. And can't thank Academy Kings enough. They're awesome.